Let's begin with a reaction coming in from former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis over the allegations that Nawab Malik has levelled against him and his family. Nawab Malik tweeted out a photo of Fadnavis and his wife with an alleged drug peddler. Fadnavis has responded saying that Malik has tweeted a 4-year-old photo. Fadnavis has claimed a drug nexus of Nawab Malik. He said that he has proof now of Nawab Malik's link with the underworld. Fadnavis has given a deadline, a Diwali deadline, to expose Malik. So now you've got Devendra Fadnavis entering this entire ugly political battle, hitting back at Nawab Malik, saying that Nawab Malik is involved in a drug nexus, says there's links that Nawab Malik has with the underworld, and has given a Diwali deadline when he says he will expose the Maharashtra minister.
पूरी टीम ने हमारे साथ उस समय फोटो खिंचवाए और उस व्यक्ति को 4 साल बाद आज एनसीबी ने अरेस्ट किया है। 4 साल पहले का फोटो है और इसके आधार पर वे संबंध जोड़ना चाहते। सबसे महत्व की बात यह है कि ये संपूर्ण रिवर मार्च के जो लोग हैं, इसमें जो प्रमुख है मिस्टर चौगुले, इन्होंने भी कल स्पष्ट किया है कि हमारी टीम के साथ ये आए हुए थे, इनका कोई संबंध नहीं है। अब उन्होंने एक फुलझड़ी जलाई है तो बम तो फूटेगा और दिवाली के बाद फूटेगा, और दिवाली के बाद नवाब मलिक इनके अंडरवर्ल्ड के साथ क्या संबंध है, इसके सबूत मैं आपको भी दूंगा और राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी के जो अध्यक्ष है श्री शरद पवार जी, इनको भी मैं वो सबूत दूंगा। नवाब मलिक जी ने ये नहीं देखा कि उसके फोटो तो मेरे साथ भी है, लेकिन मेरे साथ के फोटो उन्होंने ट्वीट नहीं किए क्योंकि उनको पता था कि इसकी वैल्यू कम हो जाती है, क्योंकि मेरे साथ तो किसी का भी फोटो खींचा जा सकता है। इसलिए मेरे पत्नी के साथ का फोटो जानबूझकर उन्होंने ट्वीट किया है। मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि किसी तीसरे आदमी के साथ फोटो आने से अगर बीजेपी का ड्रग कनेक्शन बनता है तो राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस के मंत्री नवाब मलिक, इनके साथ रहने वाले उनके जवाई, इनके घर में गांजा अगर या इनके पास गांजा अगर मिलता है तो इस रेशियो से पूरी राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी यही ड्रग्स की किंगपिन होनी चाहिए।
Let's take this across to Vidya. She's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates on this. Vidya, from the entire drug case to the extortion angle and now to this ugly political war of words, the focus has completely shifted now into a he said, she said between the NCP and the BJP.
Well, it has always been a NCP, the Narcotic Control Bureau's case against, Nawab Malik has been speaking very vehemently against the fact that the agencies are being used by the central government, not just the IT department or that of the ED, but also the Narcotic Control Bureau is also being used against the people of Maharashtra. It's a political war is what they have been alleging. In fact, it is in that very series that Nawab Malik has levelled this allegation against the latest allegation that he has made against Fadnavis. But obviously Fadnavis also reacting back and saying very clearly that the allegation that Nawab Malik is stating is not true, and the fact that he does know the people, that there are photographs that are there, but that does not really mean the kind of reference that Mr. Malik is really drawing from it. And certainly, in fact, Fadnavis has gone ahead a step further and has obviously said that after post-Diwali, there will be many more, revelations that he will now be making against Nawab Malik having some underworld connection. Of course, we spoke because I was speaking to Mr. Nawab Malik earlier during the press conference. I was there and I asked his reaction. He said that he'll speak about this entire Fadnavis's press conference tomorrow, but he clearly stated that, if he really has any underworld connection, there might be photographs, because there are photographs everywhere, but he does not have any underworld connection. If he has, then he's ready to bear any consequences as stated by Mr. Fadnavis.
All right. Vidya, for the moment, thank you for joining us. I just want to tell you exactly what Nawab Malik has said that's triggered this kind of a response from Devendra Fadnavis.